In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to your Manychat account. This process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Manychat account. You have several options for doing this. You can sign in using Facebook, Google, Telegram, or Apple. Choose whichever method you are most comfortable with or whatever you normally use to access your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your settings. You can usually find this in the upper corner of the dashboard where the menu icons are located. Click on settings to access the deeper sections of your account. In the settings menu, you'll need to find the section labeled WhatsApp. This is where you'll manage all the integrations and connectivity options specific to WhatsApp. Go ahead and look through your settings until you find this section. Once you're in the WhatsApp section, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the linking process between your Manychat account and WhatsApp. This next step is crucial as it sets the foundation for integrating these two tools. Now, you'll need to decide whether to use your existing WhatsApp number or if you want to purchase a new one through Manychat. It's worth noting that using your existing number might be more convenient if you're already established on WhatsApp. However, if you want to keep your personal and business interactions separate, opting for a new number could be a good option. If you've chosen to use your current number, you'll be asked to enter it into the system. Once you've done that, Manychat will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Enter this code to confirm your account and link it securely with Manychat. In some cases, you may be prompted to also connect your WhatsApp business profile to Manychat. If you encounter this step, simply follow the instructions to complete the connection. This ensures a seamless integration that will allow you to use all the business functionalities available in Manychat. Before we wrap up, there are a few important points to remember. First, you will need a WhatsApp business account to use Manychat with WhatsApp. Make sure your phone number is readily accessible as it will have to be verified during this process. Additionally, you may need to log in with your Facebook credentials, so have those ready just in case you are prompted, and that's it, you've successfully connected WhatsApp to your Manychat account. This integration will streamline your communication efforts and enhance how you engage with your audience via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and guidance on using Manychat effectively.